Are you having problems with your Powerbeats Pro case not charging and you want to be able to fix this? Well then this video is going to be perfect for you because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it. So what we're going to do firstly, as you can see, is to test the charging cable and power adapter. So plug the cable into a different adapter or USB port. Try a different cable if you actually have one. That is a very good thing to do, is to try with a different cable and see if that can also fix this issue. Because sometimes it's going to be just simple as a cable issue, just so you know. Maybe your cable is like the charging cable is not as good as it was before. And as you can see, step number two is going to be for us to clean the charging port on the case. So you're going to use a dry toothbrush, cotton swab, or a toothpick, and you're going to gently remove any dust or dirt from the port. And I'm going to show you what I mean. So just a second. And as you can see, here it is. As you can see, so this is the port right here. It's going to be something similar to this. You're going to just simply gently clean it right here to make sure that any dust, dirt, or anything that might have gotten in there, you're going to clean it away and try once again. Because sometimes this can also be the issue, just so you know. So the step number three, we're going to check for damage. So look at the port and the cable for any sign of damage. If it looks broken or loose, the case might need a repair, just so you know. Step number four, clean the charging pins inside the case. Open the case, use a dry cotton swab to clean the metal contacts where the earbuds sit, sorry. So you're going to just gently clean them as well. So this actually worked for me when I did this like a couple of months ago. This actually fixed it for me. So I guess that if there is some dirt or anything on them as well, that can also affect the charging process. Step number five, we're going to reset the case and earbuds. So put both earbuds in the case and then you're going to leave the lid open. It's going to be open, just so you know. Then hold the button on the case for about 15 seconds and I'm going to show you how the button looks like. It's going to be something similar to this, as you can see. So you're going to leave this one like open. You're going to put both of the earbuds in here and you're going to click on a similar button to this if you have one for about 15 seconds. And yeah, click and hold for it for 15 seconds. And then you're going to wait until the light flashes red and white. So step number six, try a different cable or case if you have one. So test with another Powerbeats Pro case or a new cable because yeah, obviously this can be a quick fix as well sometimes, just so you know. If it's not the earbuds themselves that is that is actually like bad or damaged, of course. Sometimes the case might be damaged or the cable is damaged, then you can just simply replace it. But if the earbuds is bad, then there's not that much to do in, unfortunately. So step number seven, update the firmware. As you can see, if it starts working, connect it to your phone and check for updates in the Beats app. It's very important that you actually get all the latest update, just so you know. So step number eight, still not charging. You have tried all of this like 7 steps and it still is not working. Then we're going to contact Apple support. The case may need to be replaced or the earbuds themselves needs to be replaced as well. But hopefully this will be able to fix this problem for you.